What are WordPress widgets? So WordPress widgets are kind of small plugins that add backup content in the sidebars of your website. For example, if we go to our demo website, and here if we scroll down, so you can see on the right side this search bar, and this is coming as a result of adding a widget. Similarly, you can add different widgets into the sidebar of your website. For example, product categories, post categories, social icons, calendar, image widgets, etc. etc. It depends which theme you are using. Some theme provide you a right sidebar for adding widgets, while some theme provide you a left sidebar or a sidebar in the footer of your website for adding widgets. And to know which sidebar your theme support for widgets, you will go to your WordPress dashboard, and here under Appearance, you will see the widgets option. So click on this. Now here if we scroll down a little, so you can see the current active theme on our website: support page top widget, main sidebar which is the right sidebar, WooCommerce sidebar, footer 1, 2, 3, 4 and home blog. So we can add widgets to these areas on our website. As I said, it depends on the theme you are using. So if you are using a different theme, then maybe you will see only a main sidebar, or you will see a footer sidebar or the page top sidebar. And here on the left hand side, you will see the default widgets which you can add to your sidebars. For example, if I want to add the category widget to the main sidebar, so I can click here on the drop down, and then I can select to which sidebar I want to add this category widget. So I will select main sidebar, and then I will click on add widget. Now you can see here in the main sidebar we have two widgets, the search widget and the category. You can write a title for this category widget, so I will write here product categories, and then I will click on save. Now if you go to our website, and if I refresh this page, so you can see here now we have a product category widget on the right sidebar. Right now we do not have any categories on our website, so that's why you don't see any categories listed here. But once you create categories on your website, then you will see a list of categories here on the right sidebar. Similarly, if you want to add more widgets to the sidebar of your website, so you can go back and you can add widgets from here. Let's say for demonstration, I will add the calendar widget. You can also click on a widget, then drag it and drop it in the sidebar. For demonstration, I will name it date. Then I will click on save. Now if you go back and if we refresh our website, so you can see the calendar widget is added to the sidebar. If you want to add a new widget which is not available in the default widgets, so you can go to wordpress.org/plugins and then search here for a widget. For the demonstration, I will search here for social icon widget. So let's say I will click on this one. Then I will click on download to download this widget. After the widget is downloaded, we will go back to our WordPress dashboard, and here under plugins, we will click on add new. Then we will click on upload plugin. Then I will click on browse. So this is the social icon widget which I just downloaded. So I will click on this. Now I will click on install now. Now after the widget plugin is installed successfully, I will click on activate plugin to activate this widget. Now we will go to the widget section. So I will go to appearance, and here I will click on widgets. Now here we will scroll down and we will search for the widget which we just activated. So this is the widget which we just installed and activated. So I will click on the drop down, and I will add this to the main sidebar. Now we will configure this widget, so I will scroll down a little. So you can write here a title for this, but I will leave it as it is. You can add a text about the icons, and then if we scroll down, you can align the icons, you can change the icon style, you can change the icon background style, but we will leave all these options as it is. And then here you will provide your Facebook page URL, your Twitter account URL, Instagram URL, and then you will click on save. So for demonstration, I will write here something like google.com. And then I will click on save. Now if you go to our website, and if I refresh this page, now if we scroll down, so here you can see the social icon widget is added to our website. If you want to bring this widget on the top to this sidebar, so you will go to the widget section, and here you will just click on this widget, you will drag it and you will drop it on the top. Now if you go to our website and if we refresh this page, so you will see now the social icon widget is on the top in the right sidebar. So this is how you can deal with widgets in your WordPress dashboard.